G'day and welcome to Painting Bobbin Lace with Jenny Brandis. In this video we will explore 3 painting mediums to see how effective they are. The mediums chosen are Pearl Solid Watercolor, Liquid Acrylic and Intense Watercolor. First up was a Pearl Solid Watercolors. I started with a lavender, painted directly onto the lace at the stem end of the PAMMO shape. Next I went for a bronze and slightly overlapped the lavender to aid a bleed effect. The third colour is a yellow, again overlaying slightly, and lastly I added white. Turn the lace over and repeat the process in reverse. Last I used an absorbent paper and dabbed off any excess moisture as we don't want the paint to fill between the threads. Next up was a Durant Intense Watercolour. Using the same technique I used the yellow in the centre, followed with orange and then red. Turned it over and repeated the process in reverse. Dab off the excess moisture and lay the lace aside to dry. The liquid acrylic was dabbed on straight from the bottles, but the video of that was too blurry to use. The Durant Intense Watercolours gives us this vibrant sunset colour range, with this lovely muted coloured finish from the Pearl Solid Watercolours.